Host city of Summer Games, Tokyo has entered yet another phase of COVID emergency from Monday onwards. This comes with less than 2 weeks before the Olympic Games to begin. This is the fourth such emergency coming into effect. The measures will last throughout Olympics and end on 22nd of August. Last week, the organizers had announced that spectators will be barred from nearly all the venues with the fresh COVID hurdle and many star players giving the Games a skip. It would be another challenge for the Games that were postponed last year due to the pandemic. Karishma joining us with more inputs on this. So Karishma, this is literally like the worst fears coming true, that just as you were hoping that there wouldn't be another COVID emergency, it seems new rules have come into play and there is a clampdown literally by authorities in terms of spectators attending any of the Olympic venues. Karishma.
Well, as far as the Olympic venues are concerned, there are going to be no spectators, but the emergency that has been implemented in Tokyo from today is only a precautionary measure that has been taken by the Japanese government because they want to control the number of people that are going to venture out in the city, especially when the Olympics are going to be on. Japan has already banned foreign spectators from coming into Tokyo for the time of Olympics and Paralympics, and now the Japanese government has also asked the restaurants and bars to not serve any alcohol as a measure to curb the infections that are spreading in the country, in Tokyo specifically. So that is why the emergency that has been implemented will continue well after the Olympics are over on the 8th of August. The emergency period is going to continue till the 22nd of August because Tokyo, the Japanese government together want to ensure that there is no untoward incident as far as the Tokyo Olympics are concerned. And it is very, very important that the sanctity of the bio bubble that will be maintained during the Tokyo 2020 Olympics is not breached. And that is why all these measures are being taken by the Japanese government in consultation with the Tokyo Organizing Committee and the International Olympic Committee.
Emergency measures will stay in place till 22nd of August, which means it will cover the entire phase of the Olympic Games. Thanks for joining us, Karishma.